Here is a script of about 8 minutes and 70 scenes. Scorpions are segmented invertebrates possessing 8 legs, placing them in the class Arachnida, which also includes spiders and ticks. Despite their somewhat crustacean-like appearance, resembling creatures such as shrimp and crabs, they are not closely related. Instead, their closest relatives are ticks, beetles, and spiders. A scorpion's body is distinctly divided into 2 primary parts: the cephalothorax, which is the anterior body segment, and the abdomen, the posterior region that includes the lower abdomen and the tail. The cephalothorax, or the front part of the body, is a fusion of the head and thorax. This section is a hub of crucial body parts, including the carapace eyes, chelicerae palps, and all 8 legs. The chelicerae are small, pincer-like appendages that are part of the mouthparts used to tear and manipulate food. The palps are the larger, more prominent pincers that scorpions are famous for, used for grasping prey and for defense. Despite having multiple eyes ranging from a minimum of 6 to a maximum of 12 depending on the species, their eyesight is surprisingly poor. However, even with this limited vision, they are adept at distinguishing between day and night, a crucial ability for their nocturnal lifestyle. The main body of the scorpion is protected by a tough chitinous exoskeleton known as the carapace. This armor surrounds the body and is dotted with sensory hairs that function as a balancing organ, helping the scorpion navigate its environment. A fascinating feature of the carapace is a transparent outer layer that contains a special substance. Under ultraviolet light, this layer fluoresces, emitting a vibrant green glow. A newly molted scorpion will not exhibit this glow until its new, soft carapace has had time to harden. Remarkably, this fluorescent coating is so durable that it can remain intact in fossils for hundreds of millions of years, providing a unique window into the past. The abdomen is further subdivided into the lower abdomen and the tail. The lower abdomen is composed of 8 segments. The very first segment houses the reproductive organs and is marked by a genital cover, which is a trace of a now reduced appendage. The second segment features a pair of unique comb-like sensory organs called pectins, which are used to sense vibrations and textures on the ground. The subsequent 4 segments each contain a pair of book lungs, the respiratory organs of the scorpion. This entire lower abdomen is sheathed in a horny armor for protection. The tail, scientifically known as the metasoma, consists of 6 segments, with the first segment being similar in structure to the last abdominal segment. The scorpion's anus is located in the final segment, which is also the most infamous part of its anatomy. This terminal segment, called the telson, contains the venom apparatus. It consists of a sac-like structure that holds a pair of venom glands and a sharp curved stinger used to inject venom into prey or threats. Scorpions hold a remarkable place in the history of life on Earth, representing one of the planet's oldest animal groups. Their evolutionary journey began in the Silurian period, approximately 430 million years ago. They are believed to have evolved from giant scorpion-like creatures that once inhabited the seas. Over vast stretches of geological time, these ancient marine ancestors adapted to life on land, developing the features we see today, while other parts became insignificant and disappeared. One of the most astonishing traits of scorpions is their incredible adaptability. This has allowed them to colonize a vast range of habitats, and they are now found on every continent except for Antarctica. They are masters of survival, capable of thriving in some of the most extreme environments on the planet. Whether it's a scorching desert, a humid rainforest, or a high-altitude mountain, scorpions have found a way to make it their home. This adaptability is further highlighted by their ability to slow down their metabolism to extreme lows when food is scarce. Some species can endure for up to a year without eating or drinking, a feat that few other animals can match. Scorpions are primarily nocturnal hunters. They are very sensitive to light and will rarely venture into places with a lot of direct sunlight. During the day, they typically rest in cool, dark places such as burrows, crevices in rocks, or under logs. When night falls, they emerge to hunt. Their excellent sense of smell is a key tool in this endeavor, allowing them to detect various scents to locate prey and avoid dangerous predators. Furthermore, they are particularly sensitive creatures, able to sense minute fluctuations and vibrations in their surroundings. This allows them to predict what is happening around them and how events might unfold, giving them a significant advantage in both hunting and self-preservation. Young scorpions, known as scorplings, are born live and are completely dependent on their mother for survival. Immediately after birth, the tiny scorplings climb onto their mother's back. She carries them, providing protection from predators and the elements until they undergo their first molt. After this initial molt, their exoskeleton hardens, and they become more independent, eventually leaving their mother's protection to fend for themselves. The average lifespan of a scorpion is between 2 to 10 years, though some exceptional species have been known to live for as long as 25 years in captivity. While almost all scorpion species possess venom, it's a common misconception that they are all deadly to humans. In reality, only about 25% of scorpion species have venom potent enough to paralyze and kill their primary prey. and an even smaller fraction are dangerous to humans. It is also important to note that although they are of the same species, females are usually larger than males. In a grim twist of nature, females can sometimes kill and consume the male immediately after mating if he doesn't make a quick getaway. The fluorescent substance found in a scorpion's exoskeleton is not just a biological curiosity. It is considered an important part of its metamorphosis and molting process. Scientists are still studying its exact function, with theories suggesting it could help them detect light or even protect them from the sun's harmful rays. Scorpions have a unique way of feeding. They consume their food in liquid form. To achieve this, their venom contains special enzymes that liquefy the internal tissues of their prey. Once the prey is subdued and its insides are turned into a digestible slurry, the scorpion can easily suck it up. Their diet typically consists of live organisms such as insects, spiders, lizard larvae, and occasionally even small mice. The best environment for scorpions to thrive is soil, which provides them with shelter, moisture, and a rich hunting ground. The world of scorpions is incredibly diverse. To date, scientists have discovered and classified around 1,750 different species belonging to 13 distinct families. This includes some notoriously dangerous killer scorpions. While over 90 different species of scorpions live in the United States, the most dangerous species are generally found in North Africa and the Middle East. Despite the vast number of species, their venoms are not all the same. Each species has evolved its own unique toxic cocktail, a specialized weapon perfectly tailored to subdue the specific prey it hunts in its environment. This diversity in venom composition is a testament to the long and successful evolutionary history of these ancient and mysterious arachnids.